Is investing in a new construction house worth it, or should you go buy a resale home? And this is what we're going to talk about today. Sharon Colón, your favorite Miami real estate agent here, and we will be comparing investing in new construction versus resale homes. So buying a new house or a resale home comes with its own pros and cons. So we will be discussing the pros and cons of each case, and you can then make a decision. All right, first, let's discuss the pros and cons of buying an existing house. So when you are considering the advantages of purchasing an existing house, one of the standard benefits is the convenience of moving in. In most cases, you won't have to deal with unexpected surprises that could delay your moving date, unless of course you're looking at a fixer-upper or planning extensive renovations. The keys are handed over to you and you're ready to settle into your new home, making the transition smoother and less stressful. Another appealing aspect of opting for an existing home is the charm of an established neighborhood. So these areas boast the beauty of mature trees and well-maintained landscaping, not just on the streets and in the parks, but also within your neighbors' yards. It provides an instant sense of community and character that new developments may take years to cultivate. Financially, existing homes often offer a more wallet-friendly option compared to new construction. With ongoing material shortage and inflation, this price gap is likely to persist in the foreseeable future, making existing homes a more affordable choice. Now, another thing you should keep in mind is that purchasing an existing home opens up a plethora of location possibilities. While many new single-family homes tend to be situated outside urban areas, existing homes provide you with a broader range of locations to choose from. So more likely you are going to find a location that suits your lifestyle. I will say that simplicity is another advantage of going for an existing home. So constructing a custom home involves a myriad of decisions, from designing the floor plan to selecting interior and exterior finishes and materials. In contrast, buying an existing home allows you to concentrate on the areas that require a little sprucing up or personalization to align with your unique style and preferences. Moreover, all the homes often come with captivating architectural details that will be both challenging and costly to replicate in a new build. These homes carry with them, a sense of history, for example. For those of you loving old houses, often featuring intriguing stories and past lives that become part of your own narrative when you move in. And it's like, inheriting a piece of the past while shaping your future within its walls. And when we talk about the flip side, there's some drawbacks to consider when it comes to purchasing an existing house. One notable challenge is dealing with outdated floor plans. Unless the home has undergone extensive renovations, of course, you're likely to encounter floor plans designed for a different time or different era. Like, kitchens, bedrooms, low ceilings, and even front rooms may be configured in a way that doesn't align with modern preferences for open spaces and functionality. Another issue to be aware of in older homes is outdated technology and fixtures. So some of these properties may still have knob and tube wiring dating back to the early 20th century. So while it's possible to invest in upgrading the wiring and installing smart technology to replace outdated thermostats and lighting, it can be costly endeavor to undo and then redo these systems compared to installing them during the initial construction phase of a new home. Since these homes have, outdated technology, you will also have to deal with the issue of energy efficiency. Moreover, owning an existing home may come with the potential for more repairs and, maintenance, like older appliances, roofing, and AC systems, can be more prone to wear and tear, so leading to unexpected repair costs that you might not have budgeted for. And these expenses can quickly add up and impact your overall homeownership experience. We can say that while there are certainly advantages to buying an existing home, it's essential to be mindful of the downsides as well. So balancing these factors with the benefits is crucial in making an informed decision when entering the housing housing market. All right, so having said that, let's discuss the pros and cons of buying a new construction home. Buying a new construction home means that you will be getting a home that caters to modern living and personal preferences. I will say that one of the most noteworthy aspects of buying a new construction home is the opportunity for, contemporary and customizable floor plans. When you opt for a custom built home, for example, you embark on a creative journey with the contractor to craft a layout that suits your lifestyle perfectly. Dreaming of a home office to accommodate your remote work needs, they can make it happen. Even if you are considering a newly constructed home that's already finished, you will likely find spacious open floor plans infused with a modern touch. You can expect generously sized bedrooms and bathrooms, awash in natural light, enhancing your daily living experience. Well, the benefit of personalization extends to finishes as well. Even without a fully customized home, you may have the chance to elevate your living space by upgrading from standard builder grade materials. While it may come with a slightly higher price tag, the ability to add your unique touches and style can be a rewarding investment. When it comes to energy efficiency, new construction homes will impress you, definitely. I mean, these homes are basically designed to be more environmentally friendly, so you will get improved insulation and energy efficient windows, which result in lower utility bills over time. So furthermore, the infusion of smart technology into new homes offer automation for various aspects of your daily life, from internet connectivity to entertainment systems and even security alarms. I have also seen that new homes often prioritize impact windows and doors. And I have to repeat this, we cannot forget that buying a new construction home comes with the advantage of lower maintenance, since everything from appliances to HVAC system and roof being brand new, you can expect fewer upkeep requirements. Moreover, many newly constructed homes come with builder warranties that can safeguard various components of your new abode for years before the need for major repairs arises. Now let's delve into the flip side of the coin when it comes to considering new construction homes. One of the primary considerations here is the potential for higher cost. In most cases, new construction tends to come with a heftier price tag compared to resale homes. And well, when it comes to new construction, patience is a virtue. If you're eyeing homes that are still in the construction phase or planning to build a custom home, you should be prepared for potentially more waiting time. Another factor to consider is the possibility of longer commutes. New construction of detached single-family homes often occurs outside of urban areas where open land is more readily available. While this offers the allure of spacious surroundings, it can also translate into lengthier commutes to essential destinations like workplaces, grocery stores, and hardware shops. Moreover, some suburban and rural locales may offer fewer nearby options for dining, cultural experiences, art, and entertainment compared to vibrant urban centers. However, if you're set on the urban lifestyle, you may still find new construction apartments, townhomes, and a limited number of single-family homes closer to the cultural heart of the city. Now, while new construction homes are modern and come with a world of endless possibilities, you must weigh them against potential drawbacks. And I will highly suggest that you consult a professional before making your decision. You should also keep in mind that the ultimate decision comes down to your personal preferences, your budget, and your lifestyle. Don't just focus on one side. Plus, you should research the market trends in your specific area. And remember that your home is your sanctuary. It should be the place where you feel comfortable. So make your decision based on your specific requirements and needs. Also, please keep in mind that it is highly recommended that you hire a professional real estate agent for any route you want to continue. Both resales and new constructions are always represented by the seller's best interest, and you definitely want to have someone on your side and represent your best interest as the buyer. As well with the home inspections, even though you could be buying a new construction house, it is always recommended to hire an external inspection company to make sure everything, not only in a resale home, but also in the new construction, is working and without any issues before the delivery of the house, before you sign that delivery. Now, do you have any specific questions about, let's say, Miami, like moving in Miami, the real estate market here, maybe about resale or new construction homes? Hey, I'm a new construction expert here, so please feel free to shoot an email to colonart.sharon@gmail.com, or even better, just schedule a discovery call at your best convenience. My team and I will love to help you. Also, if you want to get an update about the Miami housing market, make sure to watch my latest video right here about the real estate market in Miami. Every month I do these updates for you, so click here and I'll see you there.